Hi guys, so we're going to unbox this G512 carbon of Logitech. It's been a while guys since I am checking a lot of mechanical keyboards online and I found this G512 carbon by Logitech interesting. First, because it is cheaper compared to other brands, and the second one, because I've heard a lot of good reviews out of this product. This is actually my first mechanical keyboard, so let's unbox it. The box guys comes with a keyboard, a manual, and a sticker. The keyboard guys has two different USB cables. The first cable is for the keyboard itself and the second cable is for the USB port attached on your keyboard. You can actually plug in any USB devices on your keyboard. And lastly guys, you can download and install their software, and using the software guys, it allows you to configure your keyboard. And since this is a programmable keyboard, you can actually program or assign any function in each keys on your keyboard. So I think this is so nice, this is so cheap, and yeah, thank you for watching.